Hello, welcome to my tutorial on how to build your own bukkit server for Minecraft. You can play with your friends or put your server online, it's entirely up to you, but to start this off you're going to need Notepad++. So go to Google and type in. It's recommended you have this, but you do not need it. It's just easier and you want to download it here. Once you've got that, you want to go to Google and search bukkit server and craftbukkit, and you want to get the latest build, which is 3.107 at the moment, but it could be a bigger number if you come to do it. And you want to download craftbukkit development build. You want to click keep as well. Whilst you're waiting, you want to create a new folder on your desktop so you know where it is, like name it Minecraft YouTube, because I'm doing a video, server. Okay, now we've just got to wait for this to complete. It always takes ages, I'm not sure why. Okay, you want to drag that to your desktop so you know where it is. It's just an easy location. And then you want to right click and rename craftbukkit. If this doesn't work for you, you'll have to put .jar on the end, but you do not need that. Well, I don't, for some reason. It's a bit weird for that. So just for now, craftbukkit. Okay. And you want to drag that into your server, which should be there. Now what you want to do is open Notepad, just normal Notepad. And now you need a code to start your server. You can get that by going to this forum that shows you how to create your own server by text. How to make a Minecraft server, just type that in and it should be the top one. This is for Windows 7, XP and Vista as well. You want to scroll down till you see Windows 7, Vista, XP and copy this. I'll put this in the description of the video as well, so you don't have to do this. It's just a bit extra help if you get stuck in this video. Then you want to file, save as, desktop, Minecraft YouTube server, open. You want to save this as, it's very important, run server.bat. That .bat is very important and run server is, so save that. I always edit it here, rename and put the .bat again on the end, but I'm not sure if you have to, but I just do it for safety measures. Then you want to run your server. If you get this message that it won't start, the reason for this is this EULF document here. You want to open that with Notepad or WordPad, whatever. I'm opening it with Notepad++ because it lays it out a lot better. And you want to change this false value to true. File, save. And now it should load your server up and create all your files. The best thing to do before you actually go on your server, I'd suggest, is getting some plugins. And some really good plugins to start off with are Essentials and groupmanager. So now it's done. I've got these Essentials and Essentials Group Manager already. To get these you want to go to Google, and if you're searching Essentials download, it should be the top one. And you want to download this Essentials core here, which is this Essentials file right here. And then you want to go back and download Group Manager, which is there, and it'll be this one here, groupmanager.jar. It's important you have the .jar file. And you can just close these down. And now you need zip or WinRAR to open this folder, by the way. And you want to go into your plugins file on your Minecraft server, and you only need 2 of these, but you might as well stick them all in. And then your group manager, you want to stick that in as well. It's very important because that's what we're going to be using to edit stuff on our server, like names and colours, etc. Okay, you want to go back out of that. You want to type stop in here, so it stops your server. Then you want to run it again. And if we load Minecraft up, we should be able to log into this. If you want friends to log in, you'll have to port forward your server and then give your friends your IP address. Standardly it's 25565, the port you've got to open. But my ports are down at the moment, so I'd have to restart my computer to open them. So you want to direct connect. Just type in localhost. If that doesn't work, type 0.0.0 and that should connect you as well. Bit of lag. Okay, once you're in your server with these plugins you've got, you shouldn't be able to destroy anything in spawn, which is okay, I guess. And I'm not sure why it's really lagging. Maybe because it's loading the world for the first time. But okay, let's say you want to be OP. Best way to do this, instead of changing files and stuff like that, is just simply open your black box up for your server and type in OP and your username. And as you can see, opt. You are now OP. You type in help and stuff, you'll have all the commands. I'm not sure if this will be in yet, but menu add your name. Oh no. You will move to the group owner in world. As you can see, your name's gone to red, which is standard for owner. And to change these colours, you have to go into group manager. So just disconnect right now because it's lagging like hell. And you want to open your server folders and open plugins, and it should generate a group manager file after you've restarted your server. And you want to go into worlds, and this is whatever you've named your world, but standard it's world. Then you want to open groups and open with Notepad++. You can do it with any other if you want, but as you can see, groups are here, like moderator, admin, owner. What you want to do as owner is go down to this prefix here. You want to put bracket owner, or you can type in what you want, such as like emperor, king. It's entirely up to you. Close brackets. And that and for there is color code. As I've got these up here somewhere. Let me find them. Color code. And for is dark red. So that's why your name is red. But this is in front of that bracket, therefore the bracket is going to be red. So if I put that here as well, and 4, it'll make the brackets red. And if in front of owner, let's say I want yellow, white, for example, put and F for white, and then you want to file save. You can close out of that. Then you go on to your users, open with Notepad, and you see this snow layout. It's very important you just delete the name and don't do any extra spaces, because it can mess it up if you do that. So just delete and type your name and change the group builder to whatever group you want. I want owner, so I'll change it to owner, and file, save, close. You want to stop your server and then rerun it. And hopefully when I log in, it should, fingers crossed, that the name has changed to white and the bracket should be red, if I've done it correctly, but probably haven't. There we go. Owner is white, like I said, but the name, to change that, it's set as red for pretty much anyone, and to change that you've got to actually go into the files, which I'll show you how to do now. And I'll show you how to change the actual colour of your name as well. So you want to go into your files, and the file you want to find to change is, just had a look now, it's plugins, essentials I think, and config. You want to open that with Notepad++, and as you can see there, ops name colour 4, which is red. You want to change that to none, and file save. You can close these off. And now if I reload, it should not be, well, it will be red, but if I go into the folders again, group manager, let's go back so you don't get confused, plugins, group manager, worlds, back into world, then go into users this time, edit with Notepad, and your name here, let's say you want it to be aqua, dark aqua, and 3, change that to and 3, file save. Always stop your server or restart the plugin, which to restart essentials, I think it's just essentials. Essentials restart, that's it. Then if I type hi, that didn't work. Let me reload my server. Okay, sorry about that, I messed up there. It's actually, you go into groups again, like before, where you changed it before, and you put the code at the end after owner, like for example AF for white, and let's say A2, I'm not sure what colour that is, but we'll try it. File save. So you can see now it's white, but if I reload, it's green. So it's all done on that thing I messed up, sorry about that, but that's how you change your colours. And to add someone to a group, to add someone to a group, you've got to go you add their name and what group you want. But that group doesn't exist, but you can create that easily enough. I haven't set that up for admin yet, but yeah, that's pretty much the basics. If you want any more tutorials on plugins, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, hope this helped you create your server. But don't forget to port forward if you want to go online. And also don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos.